So I'm just getting these set in place, but the plan of attack is to have 10 405 watt panels. 5 of those are set, and then I'll put another 5 on these ground mounts that I'm putting in place here. And then between those 10, I'll break those up 4 different ways, basically 3 branches of 2, and then 1 branch of 4 panels going into the high voltage side of the Delta Pro Ultra. And then you can see I have the same type of PVC junction box on the outside that helps me pass the MC4s to the inside. All right, so I need to make up 1 more set of wires to connect 2 more panels up to the Delta Pro 3, and then my system will be pretty much fully up and running. Pretty standard. I have PV wire. This is 10 gauge, a thicker insulation than maybe you're used to if you're just used to residential wiring. You have male and female pins, so you do need to kind of pay attention to which ones you're crimping on to make sure you have the right gender. And then you'll go ahead and use the standard connectors. And this is what makes it MC4. Then you'll be able to kind of mix and match across brands because they all use a standard connector. Not the only connector you'll find, but this is by far the most common, especially when you get past kind of the smaller portable power station end of things. And then the nice thing is you go ahead and insert those in. They have an O-ring here to seal, and then also on the end you just hand tighten these, and they're actually called gland connectors. So it's pressing a seal against that actual insulation on your wire. So it makes for a nice weather-tight seal on both ends. Now to get the 2 panels into our Delta Pro 3, I'll just wire those in series, connecting the plus and minus, and then with the 2 free ends from the 405 watt panels, connect that to the extension cables we just made into the outside junction box, which will pass it through to the inside of my garage. And now here's our Delta Pro 3. On the input side, clouds are kind of coming and going. So input, we have 320 watts, but it's bouncing around a bit. And then that's coming through an adapter cable here that temporarily ran under the rug here. The Delta Pro 3 is awesome because it actually has 2 inputs. This one can handle 1600 watts, and then the smaller one can handle 1000 watts. So for this type of unit, being able to bring in 2600 watts of solar is pretty impressive. Although the Delta Pro Ultra has 2 as well. It has a low voltage here with 1600 watts, and then it has a 4000 watt with a disconnect and also integrated MC4. So 5600 watts of solar input for the Delta Pro Ultra. And right now, we're seeing about 1100 watts. I have 3 panels in series coming into the high voltage side of this unit. So that's going to be a lot of solar coming in, and it's really going to come in handy in those days, maybe a multi-day power outage. Even if it's overcast with spotty sun, I'll be able to replenish the energy in the Delta Pro Ultra and the Delta Pro 3 and kind of balance out the loads I put through my critical appliances.